In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic download in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want more control over what gets downloaded in your browser, or if you want to stop websites from automatically downloading files without asking first. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of the browser settings. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the full Microsoft Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories, and the one we need next is Privacy, Search, and Services. Click that option to continue. Now scroll through the page until you find Site Permissions. This section controls what websites are allowed to do in your browser, including access to your camera, microphone, pop-ups, notifications, and file downloads. Click on Site Permissions to open it. Inside Site Permissions, look for All Permissions. This is where Edge keeps the full list of permissions you can manage for different website actions. Scroll through the list until you find Automatic Downloads, then click on it. Once you open Automatic Downloads, you'll see a toggle option for allowing sites to automatically download multiple files. To disable automatic downloads, simply switch that toggle off. As soon as you do that, websites will no longer be able to automatically start multiple downloads without your permission. This is a great setting to turn off if you want a safer browsing experience or if a website is trying to download files too aggressively. It can help reduce unwanted downloads and give you more control over your browser behavior, and that's it. You've now successfully disabled automatic download in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.